Hey guys, coming to you today from SD Charities Inc. Here with my wife Kristen, who is president. We were just given word that we can actually help someone here, and we want you guys to join us. So this is for a guy named Pete Graves, who was in a motorcycle accident. Turns out Pete was heavily involved in my Power Wagon stroker build, and I just learned from Josh today, who is the owner of Engine Rehab. Josh is the one that was involved too and on video with Jamsey. But Josh told me today that Pete was in a really bad accident. He's going to recover, thankfully, but there's a long road to recovery. And we know that medical bills or medical insurance doesn't pay for time missed from work and all of that stuff. And so we want to help. This is what our charity is about, right? Helping the automotive community and beyond. This is someone in the automotive community that needs help. And so we want to offer SD Charities as a platform to be able to do that. And what we want to do is we're going to match $2,000 for your donations, up to $2,000 over the next 72 hours. And what you guys can do is you can go to our website, sdcharities.org, and in the bottom of the section where you give, there is a checkbox that you can click that says add note/comment. And what we'd like for you guys to do in there is just say for Pete, right? If you can remember his last name too, that's fine. But it's for Pete. And so we'll offer this for the next 72 hours. We will match, like I said, dollar for dollar up to $2,000. And we discussed this, and, you know, just in light of the car giveaway that we're doing and having a $2,000 donation for the engine, we felt like that we were prepared to pay for right through the charity. We just feel like that's where the $2,000 needs to go.
Yep.
Anything else you want to add?
I'd just say this is a great opportunity to, again, look beyond yourself. We'll talk about that a lot, I think, as a charity. That's why we don't accept nominations from individuals for themselves. You have to nominate someone else. And so we just want to encourage you to look beyond your day-to-day life, and $10 that you donate, what does that mean to you? What compared to what does that mean to this family? And your $10 you give us is $20 to them, and that's just peace of mind. And I just encourage everybody to keep that in mind. It doesn't take a lot, and money's tight for everybody, but just that little you give, we're going to multiply it and just see what we can do for this family.
And as the Lord multiplies for us, as you were saying off camera, just how that works. When we give, God gives us more in return, and it's not for ourselves, it's to give more. That's really what it's about. That's the multiplying with giving. And we're just grateful to be able to do this. And we said from the get-go, we're not going to do this unless our Lord is glorified. And it just turns out that this family is a family of believers too. Not that you need to be to get help. We'll certainly help you regardless of your religious beliefs or whatever. But we want to glorify our Lord Jesus, who we wouldn't even exist, right? The air to breathe, like without him, without our Creator. We're just so thankful, and we want to be able to give back. And we're just grateful now that we can do this together with you guys. It's pretty exciting, and we look forward to hearing your comments, and we're just so thankful that we have this platform and this opportunity to, above all, glorify the Lord.
So time is short. You got 72 hours, and let's see what we can do to bless this family. We're excited to see what's going to happen.
Right. I mean, even if it goes beyond the 2,000 over the next 72 hours, if it has Pete's name in it, we're going to give that too. And we'll keep you guys updated too at the end of this on what was given and how much we donated to. So yeah, we'll give dollar for dollar up to 2,000. And hey, if there's more, then that's the Lord's providence for this family. So
let's make a difference for this family.
Absolutely. Thank you guys.